In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts on MailerLite. We'll walk through this step by step so you can confidently update the look and feel of your emails or landing pages. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the editor, how to choose a new font, and how to save your changes so they show up correctly. First, open your MailerLite dashboard and go to the campaign or landing page you want to edit. Once you've found it, open it in the editor. This is the main workspace where you design your email or page, and you'll see your content blocks in the middle, with a settings panel on one side. Next, click directly on the block where you want to change the font. This could be a text block, a heading, or any element that contains text. As soon as you select it, the settings for that specific block will appear in the panel on the right side of the screen. This right panel is important because it controls the appearance and behavior of whatever you've selected. In that right panel, look for the section called Content Style. This is where MailerLite groups most of the visual styling options for your text. Inside Content Style, find the option labeled Text and click it. When you do, additional options will slide out or expand next to it. Among these options, look for the text field related to the font. This is usually a drop-down menu that displays the current font name. Click on that font field and a list of available fonts will appear. Take a moment to scroll through the list and choose a font that matches your brand or the tone of your message. For example, you might use a clean, simple font for professional newsletters, or something a bit more playful for casual updates. As you click on different fonts, you should see the text in that block update in real time. This live preview is helpful because it lets you quickly compare different options and see which one is easiest to read and looks best with your design. Once you're happy with how the font looks, scroll to the bottom of the right panel and click Save Settings. This step is essential. If you don't save, your new font choice won't be applied, and you might lose your changes when you move on to another block or leave the editor. That's all you need to do to change the fonts on MailerLite for a specific block.